This video demonstrates how GeoDim Engine helps users manage generated drawing results. After the drawing automation process is completed, the list shows each item with its drawing status, placement option, machining note, and file path. Users can use File Open to open and review the generated IDW drawings directly. With the PDF DWG button, the generated drawings can also be exported to PDF or DWG. Use the File Open button to open generated drawings directly from the list. Users can control the review process sequentially, move to the next drawing, or cancel the task when needed. This allows users to easily review and modify drawing results, including view placement, dimensions, notes, and symbols. Executing the PDF DWG button allows you to export the generated drawing in PDF or DWG format. However, if the Export INI file serving as the basis for DWG conversion is not registered, a warning message will be displayed to prevent incorrect output settings. Users must first select the INI file path before proceeding with the PDF DWG export. Register the DWG Export INI file path before exporting drawings. This allows GeoDim Engine to apply predefined DWG export settings and maintain consistent output standards. GeoDim Engine helps users open, review, modify, and export generated drawings in a faster and more standardized workflow.